Hello everybody, welcome to After 9. We have the Antminer S7 finally up and running. It took a little while. We'll go through some details in another video on some of the issues that we ran into, but I wanted to show you the setup if you bought everything from Parallel Miner. So this is the S7. While it's running, it doesn't sound very loud, but it does go through the walls. I'm in the garage right now. I have it set up on my workbench on some tile just in case it was to, for whatever reason, catch on fire. Just a concern I have while it runs its first 24-hour period. The garage is fireproof from the house, so we don't have to worry about any damage. So what we got going on is 2 HP server power supplies. One's running at 12.4, one's running at 12.6. Both of them on. If you power it up, and what happened initially to me, you'll see right there's 3 sets of wires. There's a red light on each card, and that's a hashing board. So what happened was this light and this light over here was on. So the left and the right hashing card were working fine. The middle one wasn't. If you watch my previous video, you will remember that this center wire from Parallel Miner had a cut in it, and we got a hold of them. They sent me new wires. Luckily, they actually sent me 3. So I replaced the wire, and I actually replaced the one on the far left too. So just in case, because that one had a black mark on it too. So when we fired it up, we were only pulling about 2 terahashes, which is not what we wanted. This is a 4.7 terahash unit, okay? So we wanted to get the full 4.7. So I went on the internet and I searched around, and there's really nothing on there for this particular issue. So what I did was I restarted the miner from the software. I'll show you in the next video that comes from the Antminer after logging in through the IP address. So what we did was restarted it a few times. I looked up the software, and I was going to reflash it, but I already had the most current software on it, so we didn't do that. Alright, so what we did, I changed out that center cable with some of the extras that came from Parallel Miner and refired it, and boom, it fired right up. Now we have 3 red lights, and we are not pulling the full 4.7 terahashes. So we're running about 4.3, so we're going to fiddle with that a little bit. It's still doing pretty good. It's not as loud as when you first fire it up. It's fairly loud while it does its little systems checks. But overall, pretty impressed with the quality and the service from Parallel Miner. So thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you would subscribe, I'd appreciate it. We're trying to get up to 1,000. Take care, and back at After 9.